All right, and welcome back to Hector's Row Reviews. Today we're going to go and do a review on my 12 by 20 pop-up canopy. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and actually check it out. Getting the canopy set up was a little time-consuming, more than I thought. Since it's a 12 by 20 canopy, I definitely recommend having 2 people for the assembly. All right, so like I said, the first part that you're going to want to put on is this one. These will go into right here, like that. Then the outer ones will go into these. And we did it here first when it's kind of condensed. And then as we started spreading it open, we're just making sure that everything's lined up, including these middle ones right here. These middle ones will have 1, 2. These right here. So put this one first, then this one, and then we'll start opening it up. All right, so we're doing this a little backwards, but just to show you. So that middle piece of what goes first, and you want to hook it up into those 4 corners. Obviously, we didn't pick a good day today because it's windy, but I'll show you over here on this side as well. It took us a little bit to figure it out, but those hook on just like that. And then, before everything else, let me go down here. All right, and this piece right here, you're gonna want to shoot it all the way up. This, I want to shoot all the way up, like that. All right, there it is. You're gonna want to do the same thing with that side over there too. And then once it's done, push it down, just like that. All right, now that we have it up, just want to Velcro some of this. All right, so this is what it looks like once you actually prop it up. The top. Show you the inside. Velcro those. Push those up. All right, so this is what it looks like, but now we're gonna go ahead and put the remainder parts of it. So far, so good. Once everything is assembled, you really start to appreciate just how much room this thing actually offers. A 12 by 20 footprint gives you a lot more usable space compared to a standard pop-up canopy. Whether you're setting up tables and chairs, hosting a family gathering, cooking outside, or using it for an event, it doesn't feel cramped. The manufacturer says it's designed to accommodate about 15 to 20 people, and looking at the amount of covered space, it's pretty realistic depending on how you arrange everything. Another thing that immediately stands out is the screened sidewalls. The thing isn't just an open canopy. Having the mesh walls gives you airflow while helping keeping bugs out, which can make a huge difference if you're spending several hours outside. All right, so these little hooks, you're gonna want to hook them this way, just like that, all the way through. So, but just make sure that you open up one of the sides and then run it around the entire thing. So after that, you'll have at least one drawer on each side. That's how you know it's perfectly lined up. Along with, let me zoom this down. All right, and as you can see, you'll also have these to indicate that you are setting it up on the right side. All right, so as you can see, we got it all set up now. This thing is very nice size for quite a bit of people. These all have zippers, by the way, just like that. They all hook up right here. If you've ever tried enjoying dinner or relaxing outside while consistently sweating mosquitoes, you'll appreciate having these screens. The canopy material itself is designed for outdoor use. It's made from a 210D Oxford fabric with a silver coating interior that's rated SPF 50 plus, helping block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. So beyond providing shade, it's also giving you an extra protection from the sun during those long afternoons outside. It also is waterproof with a 1500 millimeter water resistance rating, so if you get caught in a light rain shower, you're covered. Of course, like any pop-up canopy, it's always smart to avoid severe weather or heavy storms. The frame feels sturdy as well. It's made from power-coated steel that's designed to resist rust and corrosion, which is important if you're planning to leave it outside for extended periods or use it regularly throughout the year. The frame also includes stakes and pre-drilled bases to help anchor everything securely. One design feature that I really like is the extended roof overhang. Instead of the shade stopping exactly at the legs, the overhanging eaves gives you a little more coverage around the perimeter. It may not seem like much, but it does help create a larger shaded area underneath. Because it's a pop-up design, it also stays pretty versatile. You can use it for cookouts, birthday parties, graduation celebrations, camping trips, sporting events, tailgates, vendor booths, or even just create a comfortable outdoor seating area in your backyard just like we did. It's one of those products that can serve a lot of different purposes depending on what you need. Another thing people usually ask about is the portability. Even though this is a large canopy, it still folds down into a more manageable size for storage and transportation. Obviously, it's bigger and a little heavier than the smaller pop-up tents, but that's the trade-off for having this much oversized covered space. Overall, if you're looking for a canopy that gives you enough room or larger gatherings without stepping into a permanent structure, this size makes a lot of sense. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new pop-up canopy, definitely consider this one. I'm going to leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.